Guys, this is DS. Everyone, welcome to Time for Learning channel. Today we are going to learn about an English mathematician, physicist, astronomer, alchemist, theologian, and author Sir Isaac Newton's biography. Let's see the video. Once again, before we see the video, if you are not subscribed our channel, just click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Okay, let's see the video. Isaac Newton was born on Christmas Day, 25th December 1642, at Woolsthorpe Manor in Woolsthorpe by Colsterworth, a hamlet in the county of Lincolnshire. Newton attended the King's School, Grantham, from the age of about 12 to 17, where Newton learned Latin and ancient Greek as well as a solid foundation in mathematics. By October 1659, Newton had expelled from school and returned to Woolsthorpe by Colsterworth. The King's schoolmaster Henry Stokes convinced his mother to send him back to school. Newton became the top of the class owing in part to a desire for revenge against a schoolyard bully, and distinguished himself mostly by creating sundials and windmill models. On the recommendation of his uncle Ray William Ascough, who had studied at Trinity College, Cambridge, he was admitted in June 1661. Newton began a successor, earning his way by doing a ballet task, until he was offered a scholarship in 1664, allowing him to continue his studies for 4 more years. The college courses are at that time were based on Aristotle, which Newton supplemented with modern philosophers like Descartes and astronomers like Galileo and Thomas Street, through whom he heard about Kepler's work. Newton discovered the generalized binomial theorem in 1665 and began to create a mathematical theory that later be known as calculus. The institution was temporarily closed in August 1665, just after Newton received his BA degree, as a precaution against the Great Plague. Newton's private studies at his home in Woolsthorpe over the next 2 years witnessed the development of his theories on calculus, optics, and the law of gravitation, despite his lack of distinction as a Cambridge student. Newton returned to Cambridge in April 1667 and was elected a Trinity Fellow in October. Fellows were needed to become ordained priest, though this rarely enforced during the Restoration years, and a declaration of Church of England compliance was acceptable. However, by 1675, the matter would no longer be overlooked, and his unusual beliefs had become a roadblock. Despite this, Newton was able to evade it thanks to Charles II's special permission. Isaac Barrow, a lucasian lecturer who was more concerned with developing his own theological and administrative potential, had been influenced by his studies. Newton succeeded him in 1669, only 1 year after getting his MA. In 1672, he was made a Fellow of Royal Society. Newton's work has been said to distinctly advance every branch of mathematics then studied. His work on subject was the first documented in manuscript dated October 1666 and is now included among Newton's mathematical writings. The generalized binomial theorem, which holds for any exponent, is credited to Newton. Newton was the first to use fractional indices and coordinate geometry to derive solutions to Diophantine equations. Newton was the first to use power series with confidence and to revert power series. He approximated partial sum of the harmonic series by logarithms. Simon-Stevens decimal inspired Newton's work on infinite series. When Newton received his MA and became a Fellow of the College of Holy and Undivided Trinity in 1667, Newton made the commitment that I will set theology as the object of my studies and will take holy orders when the time prescribed by these statutes arrives, or I will resign from the college. Newton had not given much thought to religion up to this point and twice signed his consent to 39 articles, which formed the basis of Church of England doctrine. He was the Lucasian professor of mathematics in 1669. Newton also a member of Parliament of England for Cambridge University in 1689 and 1701. His only comment, according to some sources, were a complaint about a cold draft in a chamber and a request the window be closed. Newton was made the president of Royal Society in 1703 and an associate to the French Academy of Sciences. On March 20, 1726, Newton died in his sleep in London. Newton was given a ceremonial funeral attended by nobility, scientists, and philosophers, and he was buried beside kings and queens in Westminster Abbey. He is also Abbey's first scientist to be buried. He won the awards FRS in 1672 and Knight Bachelor in 1705. Okay guys, I hope you all got the Isaac Newton's biography. If you like this video, just click the hit button and share it with everyone. Drop in your comments in comment section and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye dears.